Charlie, what you doing? Get your toy. Get your toy. Get it. Uh-oh, there you go. Get it. Get it, Charlie. Get it. You tired? Get it. Get it. Come on, get it. She just had a bath. Her first bath. Charlie, come here. Come here. Get your toy. Get it. Go get it. Am I in the way? Get it. Take it. Now she's feeling the pressure of the camera. She can't handle it. Look at how cute she is with her little scraggly hair. Look at you. Stop moving. Huh? Get your toy. Get it. Get it. So lame. Silently judging me, I can tell. Alright, fine, if you're not going to get it. You want to go outside? You probably want to go outside and, like, rub yourself in poop, don't you? Because you're all clean now. Yeah. Yeah, you do. Yeah, you do. Yeah.